Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Learn Korean Lesson 5. Nice to meet you. Today, we will learn about Korean combined vowels. You will have learned all Korean alphabets by completing this class. Shall we start it? These are Korean combined vowels. Let's see how these are made. You can see the Korean basic vowels below. They combine in pairs to form new vowels. A and E combine to form A. Ya and E combines to form Ye. A and E combine to form A. Yo and E combine to form Ye. O and A combine to form Wa. O and E combine to form Wei. U and E combine to form Ui. Wu and A combine to form War. Wu and E combine to form We. O and A combine to form Wei. Wu and A combine to form Wei. Some have similar pronunciation. Let's see what each of them sounds like. Let's see these two vowels. This vowel is
에, 에,
It sounds like A in the word apple. And the other is
에, 에.
It is similar to E sound in the word episode. Pronounce this vowel with your mouth wide open. These two vowels are so similar in pronunciation that you can't tell the difference. Many Koreans do not distinguish between these two pronunciations. So, don't try to distinguish between them. Listen to a man's voice.
예, 예,
Listen to a native speaker, paying attention to the shape of the mouth.
에, 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 에.
Good. Let's see these two vowels. This vowel is ye. Ye. You should pronounce E and E in a row very quickly. And the other is ye. Ye. You should pronounce E and E in a row very quickly. These two vowels also have the very similar sounds, so you don't have to try to distinguish their sounds. Please repeat after me.
예, 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 예.
Good. Listen to a native speaker, paying attention to the shape of the mouth.
예, 예.
Many Koreans do not distinguish their sounds, so you can make the same pronunciation. This vowel is
와, 와,
It is combined O and
아,
so you should pronounce O and
아.
in a row very quickly. Please repeat after me.
와, 와.
Excellent. Listen to a native speaker, paying attention to the shape of the mouth.
와, 와, 와.
These three combined vowels have the very similar sounds. This one is
왜, 왜.
It is formed by combining O and A. So you have to pronounce O and A in a row very quickly. Please repeat after me.
왜, 왜,
Excellent. Next vowel is
왜, 왜.
This vowel has almost the same sound as the one above. The only difference is that the mouth opens smaller than when pronouncing the vowel above. Please repeat after me.
왜, 왜.
Great. You get to know that there is no difference between these two vowels. The last one is
왜, 왜.
It is made by combining wu and a. So you have to pronounce wu and a in a row very quickly. Please repeat after me.
왜, 왜.
Great. Listen carefully to these three vowels in a native speaker's voice.
왜, 왜, 왜. 왜, 왜, 왜.
As you just heard, these three vowels have almost same sounds. So you do not have to distinguish their sounds. This vowel is
워, 워,
It is made by combining wu and a. So you should pronounce wu and a in a row very quickly. Please repeat after me.
워, 워,
Excellent. Listen to a native speaker, paying attention to the shape of the mouth.
워, 워, 워.
This vowel is
위, 위,
It is made by combining wu and e. So you should pronounce wu and e in a row very quickly. Listen to a native speaker, paying attention to the shape of the mouth.
위, 위.
This vowel sounds almost like the English word we. This vowel is
의, 의,
It is made by combining u and e. So, you should pronounce u and e in a row very quickly. Listen carefully to the native speaker.
의, 의, 의.
Please repeat after me.
의, 의,
Great. So far, you have learned 11 Korean combined vowels. You're seeing vowels grouped together that sound very similar. In fact, you don't have to try to distinguish between similar pronunciations. You can think of it as the same pronunciation. Many Koreans think so. Shall we read them aloud together?
에, 에, 예, 예, 와, 왜, 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 워, 위, 위,
Listen carefully to the native speaker.
에, 에, 예, 예, 와, 왜, 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 워, 위, 의.
Good. I believe you will practice a lot until you get used to it. Now let's combine these vowels with the consonants we've learned to make syllables. First, with the ung. The eung is a consonant without a sound value. So, the sound of syllables beginning with the consonant eung is the same as the sound of vowels. Let's read them aloud together.
에, 에, 예, 예, 와, 왜, 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 워, 위, 위,
Next, with kiyeok. The consonant kiyeok sounds G in word go in English. Listen carefully to the native speaker's voice.
개, 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 과, 쾌, 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 거, 귀, 기,
Good. Next, with nian. The consonant nian is similar to the English N sound. Listen carefully.
네, 네, 니, 니, 나, 네, 네, 예, 여, 니, 이.
Next up is dgud. The consonant dgud is similar to the English D sound. Listen carefully.
대, 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 다, 대, 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 더, 티, 티.
Next is liel. The consonant liel is similar to the English L or R sound. Listen carefully.
네, 네, 예, 네, 워, 왜, 여, 예, 요, 유, 제.
The next is mium. The consonant M is similar to alphabet M sound. Shall we listen?
매, 네, 이, 네, 뭐, 왜, 뭐, 미.
Good. How about with B up? The consonant B up is similar to alphabet B sound. Please listen carefully.
배, 파, 버, 비.
Good. The next consonant is C odd. It is similar to alphabet S sound. Please listen carefully.
시, 서, 소, 시.
Good. The next consonant is J. It is similar to alphabet J or Z sound. What sound do we hear when the vowels combine with this consonant? Please listen carefully.
제, 저, 조, 지.
And the next is Chiut. This consonant sounds like CH sound in English. Please listen carefully.
치, 저, 초, 치.
Good. And the next consonant is Kia. It is similar to alphabet K sound. Please listen carefully.
kä, 과, 쾌, 코, 귀, 키.
Good. The next consonant is Tiet. This consonant is similar to alphabet T sound. Please listen carefully.
태, 더, 더, 티.
And the next consonant is P up. This consonant is similar to alphabet P sound. Please listen carefully.
폐, 파, 포, 티.
Good. And the next consonant is Hiet. This consonant is similar to alphabet H sound. Please listen carefully.
해, 화, 호, 티, 키.
Good. How about this double consonant? It's saying Kiyeok. It has the tense sound of Kiyeok. Please listen carefully.
과, 꼬, 귀.
Good. The next consonant is saying Dgud. It has the tense sound of Dgud. Please listen carefully.
떼, 따, 또, 띠.
Good. The next consonant is saying B up. It has the tense sound of B up. Please listen carefully.
떼, 과, 포, 띠.
The next consonant is saying C odd. It has the tense sound of C odd. Please listen carefully.
세, 서, 소, 시.
Good. The last one is saying Jiet. It has the tense sound of Jiet. Please listen carefully.
제, 제, 자, 제, 자, 죄, 저, 쥐, 지.
Good. Here are some words you can read. Shall we read together? The first one is
노래, 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 노래,
it means a song. Repeat after me.
노래, 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 노래.
Great. Next, it's
사과, 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 사과.
it means an apple. Repeat after me.
사과, 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 사과.
Excellent. The next one is
귀, 귀,
it means ear. Repeat after me.
귀, 귀.
Good. Next, it's
의사, 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 의사.
it means doctor. Repeat after me.
의사, 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 의사.
Excellent. Next, it's
외투, 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 외투.
it means overcoat. Repeat after me.
외투, 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 외투.
Great. The last one is
돼지, 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 돼지.
it means pig. Repeat after me.
돼지, 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 돼지.
Excellent. Thank you very much for watching. See you next class.